Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm gonna do something very simple, very easy. I had some broccoli in my fridge, so I did want to use them all. Something tasty, spicy is gonna be rigatoni with sausages and broccoli. Broccoli here, some garlic, some onions, my sausage here on the stove. It's just a simple pork sausage. Use the rigatoni. In the meantime that I have the sausage on the stove, I'm going to put a little bit of broccoli in my blender. Just a very simple little sauce. Alright, broccoli in there, okay, and put a little bit of garlic. There you go. Now I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to put a little bit of water that it's boiling. This is going to make the base of the sauce, okay? If you have any other type of blender, okay? So I'm going to put a sauce that I just made in so now that this is like this, I'm gonna let it rest a bit. I'm gonna let it cook, simmer a bit. I'm gonna put the broccoli in here together with the rest of the sausages and the rest of the sauce. Season it up a little bit in a bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, but I do have pasta here, so I'm gonna put it just in the boiling water, okay? We're gonna put a little bit of a pepper and then a little bit of salt. I'm going to add a little bit of salt in my water, okay? And then I'm gonna just get a little bit of a cheese, grated cheese, because I'm gonna grate some cheese, Parmigiano cheese, on top of the pasta when I'm gonna throw it here, okay? Put the pasta in the pan, straight in the pan. And this is what I'm talking about, guys. So that's why you want a little bit of the boiling water with a little bit of the broccoli, just because the pasta will absorb all that moist, and you don't want to, like, you know, pasta dish that is very dry. You want something that, it's nice. It's got a little bit of a sauce, right? So olive oil. And that's it. Your dish, it's pretty much done. Didn't take too long to make it. Like, just the time to have the sausage cooked and the pasta cooked. Everything came out pretty good. So guys, tonight we learned something so simple. It was a simple dish. It was just broccoli and sausage. Again, you can make it whatever you like it. Doesn't have to be, sausage and broccoli. You can do whatever you like, okay? Subscribe to the channel, drop a like. So I'll see you next time, and stay safe and have a good weekend. Bye guys.